Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete a Google Drive account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Google Drive app on your phone. Now, once you're on this page of the Google Drive app, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, which will open up this pop-up on your screen. Now on this screen, click on this Manage Accounts on this device option, which will guide you to another page. Now, to delete your Google Drive account, you'll have to delete your Google or Gmail from your device. Now to do that, on this page, scroll down and find this Google icon. Now there will be listed the Gmail accounts on your device, so choose which Gmail account you want to delete from your Google Drive. So let's say I want to delete this Gmail, so click on it, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to click on this More option and then click on this Remove Account option and then confirm it. And there you go, your Google Drive account will be deleted. I hope this video helped you to delete your Google Drive account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.